Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing okay. I would like to say a few simple steps following which we would be able to create a simple website using Google Site. Without knowing any programming language like Java, C++, PHP or HTML, we can create a beautiful website. Only one precondition for creating this website is that we must have a Gmail account. Regarding Gmail account, I would like to say a general Gmail account, as most of us are having the Gmail. For example, I have biswas.biplab@gmail.com, which is free from Google. We can also use G Suite account like bbishas@geo.baruniv.ac.in. This account is also available for university teachers, which is free from Google, or we can purchase G Suite account from Google like biplab.bishas@angis.org. Using any of the Gmail account, we can prepare website for free. The benefit of using G Suite is that it has 1 TB data capacity, while general Gmail has only 15 GB data storage capacity. For today's website creation, I would like to use my university provided G Suite account. So if you have noticed these 9 dots, if we click on these dots, it will show us a lot of apps provided by Google for our use. So we would like to use here the Drive button for creation of the website. If we click on the Drive, it will take us to a new window. This is my Drive in my G Suite account, and you can find this is a website, this is a image, this is some data in Excel sheet like, and this is a document, and we can keep folders and many other things in this Drive. It's like our computer hard disk. So this G Suite has got 1 TB data storage capacity. Now you can see a new button. If we click on the new button, it will take us something like you can create a folder, we can upload file from your computer to Drive, we can upload folder from my computer Drive, we can create Google Docs, it's like MS Office Word, Google Sheet, it's like MS Office Excel, Google Slides, it's like MS Office PowerPoint, and in the more we can create Google Form, and form is like form fill up, Google Drawings, it's like Paint, Maps, we can create map, and we can create site. Here this is our point of interest, so we will click on the Google site. This is our blank website. We can create the site name as geography_bu, and we can change the title like home. We can select the title, and we can change the title type like this, or heading. I prefer this title, and I also prefer the home. Okay, and if you like this background, it is okay, otherwise we can change the background image. This is the change image. We can select, we can upload from our Drive or from our computer or general image, wherever, whatever. And in my Drive I have our department photo, so I prefer this photograph to be uploaded as background, so that photograph is there in the background of the website. So this is the front page. Here we can insert a text box here, like this is general description of the department the University of Burdwan, West Bengal, India, like, and we may like to have it in the center of the box, and similarly normal title heading, maybe we can keep it as heading. And this University of Burdwan, maybe we can adjust this box, but by extending these lines, or here I may add paragraph. The University of Burdwan, we have our website, so we can link the website. We can copy this link and we can select this name, and this is the link button. We can add the link, Ctrl V and apply. So that link is applied, and in the down section we can add another box here, and this box we can make this box colorful, and in this box also we can extend again this to make similarity. So like the Department of Geography was on 1960s, and like that. And we can add further sections from this text box. We can insert images, or we can change some boxes, like this box. If we insert here, so these are the boxes. We can add again the photograph, YouTube, calendar, map. For example, calendar, here the department calendar, for example this Biplab Bishwas calendar, or whatever calendar, maybe HOD can add HOD's calendar here. So the calendar of HOD will be added, like this insert button. So HOD's calendar, or here in this case for Bishwas calendar, is added. Here we can upload photograph from our drive is showing. So it depends on the speed of the internet and of course the machine. So here, say for example, I would like to add this PNG map. So I can add this map. So you understood, no? So we can add some many more things. We can add some link. So we can crop the photograph, we can uncrop. If we do not like, we can delete it, and some, you see, we can do a lot of things. So the front page of the Department of Geography BU website is ready, and we can add some more pages like events, calendar, online resources, many more things. To insert new pages, this is the page button. If we click on the page button, plus sign is here available. So we can click on the plus sign. New page title, maybe online resources. Done. So new page is there, and it will take the original background every time. Every new page will have the home page. So this is the home button, and this is our online resources new button. So again, if we want to change this title to bold, and if we want to increase the box size, we can of course do it. and if you want to change the background image of this page, you can do it. You can change the header type, you play with this, and this is the theme button. You see, you can change the theme of the word or the font style. You see, there are default pattern. You can play with this, and for example here I would like to add some online resources, like for example YouTube videos or UGCs and other thing. I would like to add here. In the online resource page, what we can do is we can add University Grants Commission link. From here we can copy it, we can just add the link, apply. DST iGate provides a lots of online resources on remote sensing GIS. We can add the link of books here, apply, or we can add anything, videos, you know, this is one video, we can add this video here, apply. So these links are applied, and we can add one more page in this website, faculty members of the Department of Geography. So using this layout I have created only 4, and I find Dr. Nomita Chakma here as HOD, and as his photo is not available with me, I put the Department of Geography's photograph at the background. I found Professor Samanto's photograph from the website and her CV. So I can copy her CV and I can make this Samanto hyperlink and that link, apply, okay, done. So these 3 pages basic website is ready for publication. So when we are happy with this website setup, what we can do is we can hit this publish button. This publish button will publish this website to global level, or before publication we can send this thing to our collaborator, their comment. So this published anyone at the University of Bardhaman, so draft specific people can see, and I am the owner, or I can invite people to edit or to see published thing. So at this moment I am adding our HOD's email so that our HOD can view or edit the thing, and if I send with a notification, and I can keep a copy to myself, of course that will be in my Google Drive, so I need not to send another copy. So if I send this, that will be sent to my HOD for her approval or any comment on the website. With these few simple techniques, we can create a beautiful website for public, for the organization people, or for any specific people, or for my students also. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe.